Hello, Lou and Lol's Travels here, and today we've come to the Attenborough Nature Reserve in Nottingham. Yeah, so lots to see, lots of wildlife and things like that, so let's take you around and have a look. Right, so we're now approaching the Weir. Let's take a look. Hey up! You alright? Happy New Year! Right, so there's about 3 trails that you can follow at Attenborough Nature Reserve, but today we are following the Blue Kingfisher Trail, which is up there. Every now and then you'll come across these signs as well, so it tells you the location of where you are. So at the minute we're at Bund River, also the grid reference and the what 3 words. Keywords, so yeah, quite handy. Today was a bit of a plan B. We were actually supposed to be going up to the Derbyshire Dales, but because of the heavy fog that there was last night and this morning, we decided that's probably not a good idea. No. So no, we just stuck to this local nature reserve. Yeah, nice and local. We've not, well, you've been, haven't you? I've been before, yeah. But I think we need to. Today is a little bit grey today. Yeah, it's very foggy still. Very foggy, but it's a lot better than it was. So yeah, let's carry on. Right, so on this part of the walk we find ourselves next to the railway lines, so hopefully we'll see a train at some point. So the paths at the Attenborough Nature Reserve are all one level, it's flat, it's like proper pathways, so very accessible for wheelchairs, strollers and bikes also. There are some odd muddy patches, but for the time of year there have been very few really. We're in luck, there's a train coming! Woohoo! Wait, watch this. And that train was going into Nottingham city centre. What are the chances of that, eh? We've just come out to this bit that looks like a village. It's got houses and everything. So I don't know if it's gonna wind back round into a nature reserve or if this might be a little bit of a sort of detour. I don't know. Unfortunately, we forgot to film the outro for the video as we were trying to get back to the car park in time before it closed. However, in summary, we'd say that Attenborough Nature Reserve is a nice place for a walk, and definitely if you're a nature lover, we think you'll love it there. Lots of wildlife and things to see. We will go back again in the future at some point, perhaps on a nice brighter day, and we'll even check out the other trails that it's got to offer as well at that point. But yeah, all in all, it was a nice little day out and we enjoyed it. And thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you do like what you see, please consider clicking the subscribe button so you can follow more of our adventures. Thank you and keep walking. Bye.